Hi everybody, I'm Charlie from GreenPonik, your garden assistant. This video contains subtitles and you can enable them by clicking on the closed caption icon here. For other languages, take a look at the subtitle settings by clicking on the wheel here. Today I'll show you how to use the app made for the beta test. This app isn't the final design that will be delivered with the final product because there is still development to be made. Here you have the desktop view on the left and the smartphone view on the right. To access your module, enter the module address you've received at first setup in your web browser and load the page. By the way, thank you Google for not allowing test apps to access connected devices with a proper simple address. Nice! The data you see here is random data generated by a test unit. You have EC and pH levels, water temperature, air temperature, humidity, air pressure, and light. You can have details on each measurement by clicking on a tile. In EC, you'll have the chart, the EC value, the AutoDosing switch, the target you want to reach, and the calibration procedure. To display the chart on smartphone, rotate your phone in landscape mode. When AutoDosing is on, the module will make the dosages in order to reach the target quickly and precisely. To set a target, enter the value you want to reach or scroll the numbers. The new target is saved and refreshed and displayed in red on the chart. When AutoDosing mode is on, the tile is green. When off, the tile is gray. The logic is exactly the same for pH. EC and pH sensors need to be calibrated from time to time. Our recommendation is to proceed with calibration each month. The more you calibrate your sensors, the more accurate and trustfully will be your readings. To do so, click on the calibration button, watch the video for instructions, and launch the calibration when ready. A confirmation pop-up will appear when the sensor calibration is done, and you'll be back to home screen after that. If an event occurs, you'll see an alert right here. Click on the bell to get more details. The bottom section is dedicated to the pump module. You can click on the pump and have its settings appear. You can see the pump status here, a counter that tells you how much solution has been ejected since last reset, which you can do by clicking on this button. Here you'll put the recommended dosage written on the bottle, which is generally in milliliters for 10 liters. Here is an example with the nutrient we use. We allow you to set a maximum single dose allowed, and here is the solution tube length setting. The tube we provide are 40 cm. If you decide to reduce that length, enter the new value here. You can manually control the pump here to prime a tube when you change a solution, clean the circuit when you stop using a solution, and even do a manual dosage in milliliters. Finally, you'll find a system scroll menu. Health and log are information that will be useful to us in case of malfunction. Network is where you can set your Wi-Fi settings. In accounts, you can link your GreenPonik login and password for remote monitoring later on. The beta testers will be able to update their device when they get an email notification from us, and this is where it will happen. They'll just need to click here to install it. And finally, you can reboot and shut down the system. With this system, pH and EC are fully regulated. We've implemented the key features for now, and a lot more is about to come. As for example, multi-zone to use multiple water sensors and water pumps in the same interface, the possibility to use more than one pump module on one zone, advanced chart control, custom feeding schedule, and a lot more in order to control your hydroponic setup in one place. So be sure to follow the next GreenPonik news. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support us, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, you can write them in the comment section. You can also visit our website and social networks to get the latest news. And you can subscribe to the newsletter so that you can be part of the product test program. See you next time. Bye!